Good morning everyone, this is Bob from Better Off Burnt and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at this little mock I've made of a 6-wide stud truck with a trailer or horse and carriage. I can't actually remember where I got the initial base from this, but yeah, it's been quite modified since then. Obviously you've got your dome on the top there, your side skirts, your wheel arches. Try to keep it nice and smooth. Basically tile up most of it so you don't see. Got your exhausts at the back, dual exhausts, your connection for your air and your brakes, side mirrors, obviously doors open. There's a normal one driver in here. That actually might be where I got it from. I don't know. That might be the base actually. Or that's probably the set number I started off, or was it the only number plates I found? I can't actually remember now. But yeah, I hope you like this cool little truck I did. Actually, when I built it, I just wanted some smooth lines to it, add some the wind dome, the deflector kit, some nice wheel arches. Now to the trailer, as you can see, I've kept that very smooth lines behind it. I've had to put the studded plate here for the pin, for the axle there, basically. I've got my locks for my containers. These are something I've worked on for all my containers. They're 16 long containers by 16 wide. They're all my carriages, all my trucks have these on them, so the containers will lock onto them. Basically, it won't fall off. It's something I've done for all of my trucks and trains. Fuel hose, some drawers, a cabinet, a little compartment here to store some accessories. I'm not too sure what to put in there. I think in the back. Yeah, this probably is the set I got the initial base from, and then heavily modified it from there. Or it was just lucky number plates I had all three of, so I used all three. So yeah, very smooth, sleek design. As you can see, there's no issues with turning around of the key things, side sills. Once again, I will be putting this on Rubricable, so the instructions will be there to grab. I'll share that link in the description if you want to go and have a look at them. There will be the parts list and parts list with instructions there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.